Sana makapasok tayo, uy. Ma'am, di pakinggan ko lang ito, ma'am. Kung alam ko siya. Ayan. Everyone, please, 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 please do tap the screen and share the live. Thank you so much.
Kay rami nang nabago sa buhay.
Parang narinig ko na siya.
Mula nang tayo'y nagmahalan.
Maganda to.
Puso ko'y natutong tumibok sa isang kumpas. Hanggang isang pintig na lamang ang marinig mula sa ating dibdib.
Sige, tingnan ko kung kaya ko.
Ngunit paraiso na ating narating ngayon'y naglalaho tulad ng
Medyo mahirap siya.
isang bituin. Habang ikaw ay naririto sa dibdib, paglalaban ko ating
Oh my gosh.
pag-ibig sa harap ng
Sige,
paghihirap.
tatry ko. Tatry ko. Mom, di! Mag-try lang, taha! Thank you. Hindi ko siya ganun nakakanta pa eh. Salamat! Baka mahirap to. Kay rami nang nagbago sa buhay. Mula nang tayo'y nagmahalan, puso ko'y natutong tumibok sa isang kumpas. Hanggang isang pintig na Ma'am, hindi ko talaga alam to. Ang marinig mula sa ating dibdib. Ngunit paraiso na ating narating ngayon'y naglalaho tulad ng isang bituin. Habang ikaw ay naririto sa dibdib, paglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig sa harap ng paghihirap at pasakit. Ako'y handang magtiis hanggat di kita lubusang maintindihan. Aaminin ko ang pagkukulang hanggang kailan kitang mamahalin. Tanong ng puso ngayon'y naninimdim. Kay rami nang nagbago sa buhay. Mula nang tayo'y nagmahalan, puso ko'y natutong tumibok sa isang kumpas. Hanggang isang pintig na naman ang marinig mula sa ating dibdib. Ngunit paraiso na ating narating ngayon yan ay tila kailangan pa tanungin. Ayun! Salamat! Thank you so much, everybody! Ayan, pasensya na ha. Hindi ko masyadong, alam yung song. Ma'am D, sorry. Yan, bawi ako sa mga iba pang request. Yan, thank you, Ma'am Divina. CJ, welcome. At sa lahat ng 1.3k viewers, let's go everyone, 1.3 million taps na po tayo ngayon. Ayan, please do power tap the screen and share the live. Tara na, magpaangat na tayo because I only have 1 hour left. And let's go. 2 million taps, 8:30, kaya natin yan, guys. Yan, kahit 1.3k lang tayo dito, naniniwala ako magtatap na sila. Gigisingin ko kayo, ha? Ma'am Divina! Yay! Thank you so much! Halika, rank 64 na ako! Grabe, Ma'am Di, ang dami man. Salamat, Ma'am Di. Thank you so much po. Take me on the day, and don't forget the flowers, yay! Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. Hey, you got the 9 to 5, but baby, so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and making apple pies. I never learned to cut, but I can write a verse. Sing along with me. You gotta know how to treat me like a late Monday. Thank you for even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Let's go, guys. Power tap. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Me, welcome back. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. We are now around 64. After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why? Thank you, Mommy. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady. Let's go, guys. Power tap the screen, come on. Tell me everything's alright. Oh, baby. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Oh, baby. Dear future husband, make time for me. Don't leave me lonely, and no, we'll never see a family more than mine. Thank you, much enough. I've been sleeping on the left side of the bed. Open doors for me and you might get some. Don't have a dirty mind, just be a classic guy. Buy me a ring, bye.